Alright guys, welcome to my channel, and we'll be talking on liquidity regarding to algo trading. So in the market, liquidity simply means money, where money is being placed in our trading. So there are basically three types of liquidity which I wrote on my chart here. We have the transitional liquidity, we have the structural liquidity, and we have the inducement liquidity. So I'll be discussing on these types of liquidity. Then for transitional liquidity, whenever the market is heading in one particular direction, maybe giving us something like this. So whenever the market is maybe breaking a high to the upside, it's simply giving us a transitional liquidity. It's taking out the liquidity in the high to give us another high. So whenever there's a break of structure, this is what they call transitional liquidity, because it has to break the structure and give us the pullback. So whenever there's a break of structure, just know that price simply took out a transactional liquidity. Same thing for a downtrend. Whenever market is breaking structure to the downside, is simply taking out transactional liquidity. The structural liquidity which we have, structural liquidity, like you all know, I trade the algo market structure, so I always expect let there be a sweep first of all, something like this, a sweep, a break of structure. So after this break of structure, I expect the market to give us a pullback. Then I'm expecting another break of structure. So what I'm expecting now is the market should come back and take out this first pullback, then continue buying to the upside. So what happened there is that when the market gives us a sweep, that place tends to be protected. So this is our, normally I do label it as the ABC. So whenever price come back to take out the B, you can see right here, whenever price come back to take out this B, structural liquidity, this is what they call the structural liquidity. That first pull back, the market comes back to take is structural liquidity to the upside. Structural liquidity to the upside. So they are basically use the structural liquidity. Inducement. Then we have the inducement. So whenever we have a sweep, then a break, and there's no structural liquidity. There's no structural liquidity in our setup. Let's expect price to come back and take out the low, the protected low, and then continue buying to the upside. See it? So this is the protected low. So whenever there's no structural liquidity like this, now this is a structural liquidity, so price have to just take it out and continue buying. Continue buying to the upside. But when there's no structural liquidity in this kind of setup, price tends to come and take out the protected low, then continue buying. So it's just like it induced traders to enter thinking it's going to hold, and then take out their stop loss, and then buy to the upside. Same thing for a sell setup. Same thing for a sell trade, something like this. Same thing for a sell trade, and take it out, continue buying, continue selling. I've protected high. Same thing for a sell trade. So this is for inducement. This is the structural liquidity. Let me give you a sell scenario of this. We have So if you want to know how algo market structure is, you can check out my previous video. I did a video on it, on how it looks like and the market. You can go there to watch it. And so this is the liquidity, right? So this right here, this right here is a structural liquidity. This right here is a structural liquidity. This right here is structural liquidity. This structural liquidity. This structural liquidity is transitional liquidity. I have here, and then the inducement. So let's dive into the chart and for some real example. So guys, this is my channel and I would like you guys to subscribe. Let us go this channel. Let's go this channel and also click the like button to this AUD USD. AUD USD. I think I took a sell right here. So this is sell setup. As you can see, we have our sweep right here. We have our sweep right there. And this is our protected high. Let's sell. Our protected high. Then this is our liquidity, structural liquidity, which you can see. And so look at what happened. Price came back, took out the structural liquidity and the sell off downside. And I think I took another trade on Euro card, I could remember. So yeah, this is another setup I'm expecting to happen here. What can we see right here? Is a sweep. This is a sweep, and this is a protected low. These are structural liquidity. So I'm expecting price to come back and take out the structural liquidity, and we buy the upside. You can see this is another setup that happened here. What do we have here? You can see a sweep right here. A sweep right here. You can see our protected low. You can see our protected low. These are structural liquidity. Then what do you expect? So price came back, take out the structural liquidity, and then out to the upside. And we have one on there. I think I have a setup on. I think I have a setup on card. It's on card. You can see right here. So what do we have here? What do we have here? It's a sell setup. This is our protected high. This is our sweep of structure. This is our sweep of structure. Then this is our structural liquidity. Boom. Then this is our transitional liquidity. Transitional liquidity. What do you see? What do you expect? Is your price came, boom, take out the structural liquidity, and then we sell to the downside. So this for structural liquidity. Let's go into inducement. Let's look for inducement trade. Inducement trade. If I could see one, I'll show you guys an inducement trade. Let me show you guys one for an inducement. Inducement trade. Inducement. Alright. I think I found an inducement trade. Right. Yes. Found an inducement trade. Something clean. Right. You can see on that one here again. This is on that one. This sweep. Protected high. Structural liquidity. What happened? Price came, took it out, dropped to the downside. This was a sell setup. Alright. This was a sell setup. I'm kind of looking for an inducement, a clean inducement trade. Clean one. Alright, I think I saw something here. Okay. So this is an inducement trade right here. You can see the sweep right there. You can see a protected low. So you see what price did. Price came, it's not social liquidity. Price came down, took out the protected low. People stop losses and continue buying to the upside. Let's look for. Oh, okay, yes, this is on that one again. It's on that one right there. It's a sweep. You can see this is a protected high. Why? Because there's no structural liquidity. There's no structural liquidity. See what happened. Price came down, took out it. Then buy to the upside an inducement. I'll see on that one again right there. Okay, this is our let me check right there. Let's hold. Check for structural liquidity. Let me check for inducement. Okay, I think I'll stop here for the inducement. So if you are first time joining me on my channel, I'd like you to subscribe for more educational videos and more enlightening videos on my channel, and click the like button if you do learn something from this video. See you till next time. Bye bye.